Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to show you how to delete a YouTube channel on your mobile. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, open up the YouTube app on your mobile device. Now click on your channel icon and it will bring up a menu. Within this menu, look for the Help and Feedback option. Click on it and it will open YouTube in a new window. In this new window, you'll see a search bar. Type delete to find options related to deleting your channel. Among the search results, select delete or hide your YouTube channel. Now you'll be presented with the choice to either hide or delete your channel. Choose the delete option. To delete your channel, you need to access YouTube Studio. Click on the link provided. If you're using Google Chrome, you can switch to the desktop version by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner and checking Desktop Site. Once you're in YouTube Studio, click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner. It looks like a gear or cogwheel. In the settings menu, click on Channel and then navigate to Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you find the Remove YouTube Account option and click on it. Now you will see, I want to permanently delete my content. Click on it. Now, check the boxes by click on it. Then, click on the Delete My Content. Now, enter your email and click on Delete My Content button to confirm that you want to delete your channel. Congratulations, you have successfully deleted your YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.